In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select an app you wanna use in this view and launch it in the background, like that. Now click on those three dots at the top of it and click on split view. Finally, click on a second app you wanna use and enjoy operating both at once. So sorry, that was a misclick. Let's try with this one to make it easier. Either way, now you can resize your apps by holding this line in the middle and dragging it. You can use the same one, and by dragging it all the way up or all the way down, you can exit split screen. But what most people miss is that you can actually click on those three dots at the top of any of your apps and check out all of those options, like full screen, which will open chosen app in full screen view. Floating window, which will change chosen app into pop-up window, overlaying the first app. You can go back by tapping on three dots and selecting split view. Expand, which will expand chosen app. You can go back by holding the same line I showed you before. Switch app, which will let you change this app, the chosen one, to any of the other ones. Let's go with from. And last but not least, close. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!